The original grade of America's first transcontinental railroad burrows deep through the snows of Northern California's Sierra Nevada mountains. The route, conceived by Theodore Judah, chief engineer for the Central Pacific Railroad, was considered by many as impossible. Chiseling and blasting a roadbed through solid granite by hand was a huge feat. Working in harsh winter conditions and heavy snowfall common here was an entirely different challenge. A challenge that continues today, for this is legendary Donner Pass. Seven Idea Productions takes you on an exciting winter journey over the top of this fabled line. Pacific storms slamming into the mountains dump hundreds of inches of snow annually. Despite the weather, freight must be moved over the pass. Passengers must make it safely to their destinations. An army of snow fighting equipment is dispatched to keep the main line open, including flangers, spreaders, and the mighty rotaries. Shot over 4 separate winters, including the big snow of 2011, this is your ticket to winter on Donner Pass.